Welcome back to my channel. I just got home, so I still wear my mask, but and I'm gonna go back on the road, but I have a video that I wanted to share, and it's just showing Camana Bay. I attempted Vlogmas, but it was just a fail because I had so much to do, and it wasn't working out, so I just had to stop. But I wanted to share this video. I had it some weeks ago, but I never got around to editing it because I've been so busy. But I'm going back on the road now, do some last minute shopping, and I said, let me do an intro for this video and just post it. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll be showing you Camana Bay at nighttime, and it's just a beautiful place, and I like it there. Please, if you like my content, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. It helps the video to get out there, more people to see it, and share it with your friends. If you enjoy it, just share it and leave a comment, say hi. I love seeing the comments. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. It's Camana Bay, nighttime. I took my baby to see the beautiful lights because it's Christmas and he loved the lights and all of that. So I took him, and I hope you enjoy it. Oh my goodness. Big ups to everybody who's been supporting me for all the years. And hello. Shh. Big up to everybody who's been supporting me throughout the years. I really do appreciate you, and I love you guys so much. Hello. So I'll see you guys in the next video. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and I hope you like this one. I love you. Mwah. Enjoy. Let's look at the pretty lights right here. Wow. Pretty. This is beautiful, guys. Take a look. Yes, that's a baby.
Baby's coming to get you.
Say bye-bye, baby.
Bye-bye, baby.
All right, now we're going to watch the road. Now we're going to cross. See the car? Thank you. This is beautiful. Let's walk this way where we could get more lighting and more things to see. Yeah. Come on, Tarek. So this is Camana Bay, guys. It is absolutely beautiful. Love it. Wait, kids, wait. Wow. They're fast. Yeah, bicycle. And this is where we're gonna take Tarek to see the pretty lights up here. Wow. Tarek likes to touch the balls. You want to touch the ball? Yay! And then, guys, it is so... The wind, it's so windy and cool. Right? Yes, no running. I smell smoke. Smell it? Somebody smoking. Strong.
You don't like those ones that look like
tobacco.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what it is. Alex said, no.
And my head start hurting as I smell it.
Jesus, three for the white guys is not that nice. For real, my head can't.
Yeah. We're gonna see the pretty tree. Wait for me, wait for me. Wow. Wait for me.
Sure, wait a minute, don't go, wait a minute. Good boy.
Alright, hold on to Miss Carol's hand. Good. Wow. Look at the tree, guys. It's so nice. Don't go far. It'll always be Christmas in the fall.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh,
You remember we saw the theater was so packed? Everybody gone in, movie start. They got their food. And now it's time to watch movie. You wanna jump on the ball one last time? Go on. No, you again? Yes, I have just two. Two stroke. Yay! Woo! Jump, 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 jump. Yeah! Good job.
Very nice and cool. Yeah. Yeah, we're leaving Camana Bay.
What's the weather today, Terry says. Wow. Is that what teacher says at school? Watch that bus there, watch that bus there. You see where I come from?
here we are. We're leaving Cayman.
Oh, we done. Yes. This lady did.
What's going
Your
on?
phone and go brr, 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 brr.
Yes, that's it. This, Tarek. You want to see it again?
Right up here.
Where?
Right up here.
Oh, the Silver Lake.
Oh, so here's a roundabout with these lovely lights.
Oh, Silver Lake.
Yes.
Oh, the Silver Lake. Bye-bye, Silver Lake.
Yes, baby, we're going home now.
Where does lights go? Where do lights go?
Coming to
Now,
another.
here's the Cayman National one. So nice.
Very nice.
Pretty.
This one is always lovely.
Yes.
So, what is this, Kim? This is the
Cayman National Roundabout.
Cayman National Roundabout.
Yes. They have the
Oh,
Butterfield
so
one with just
lovely.
glass up here. You
Yeah,
see the
yeah,
pretty
yeah.
lights?
So the first one was Butterfield,
Yes, and this
and
one
now
is
this is
Cayman
Cayman
National.
National. Can you see it? Wow. It is